Technology has had a growing impact on the progression of our community. To recognize its benefits, the City of Rancho Cucamonga celebrated GIS Day as well as Geography Awareness Week with games, demonstrations, and drones. Let's go check it out.
Healthy RC is committed to improving all aspects of our community's health and focuses specifically on the 8 community health priorities. As technology has continued to evolve, it has played a key aspect in improving these different areas of the community's health. The Geographic Information System, otherwise known as GIS, has helped us to gather, interpret, and analyze trends throughout the community. This data allows us to see what areas of the city need improvement so that progression is always underway. From the fire department to police officers and even IEHP, almost every industry throughout our city benefits from this software.
My name is Gabe Ferrer. I'm a captain with the Rancho Cucamonga Fire District, and GIS is a very important tool for us as firefighters. It plays a role in not only responding to calls, but actually when we do get on scene as well. So when we do respond to calls, it allows us to, it gives us the route from where we're currently located, whether we're in the station or whether we're out in district, and will actually tell us what specific streets to most effectively and efficiently get to a call, and we call that routing. Once we're on scene, GIS provides us with maps of different locations of things that will help us on scene.
Deputies use GIS every day while on patrol. These mapping systems get deputies to where they need to be as fast as they possibly can by verifying the address.
And the nice thing about GIS is it also, we have a lot of construction in town, a lot of new complexes, new neighborhoods, and by it being all digital, all online, it also provides us with the most up-to-date, the most current information. That way we don't have to worry about, is this street on our mapping plan, or is it updated yet? It's always up to date, it's always current to help us get there in an efficient manner.
Because GIS is a location-based system, both the government and the public are able to view the city on a map and recognize areas that are in need of improvement.
A good example is like graffiti. If somebody reports a graffiti, we need to know where that location is so somebody can drive directly to that location and fix it. So you have that good response coming in from between the public and then staff cleaning it up in terms of having an orderly system. If we need to inspect all the signs in the city, we need to know where they are so that we can plan as opposed to driving everywhere. We can still be able to be energy efficient or smart planning by using the location. So now somebody knows that I'm moving from A to B as opposed to driving around trying to find a location. So those are some of the things that GIS does on the back end that really allows the city to function the way it does function, and we all love the community. Some of the solutions that we have are available to the public. So for instance, if you are trying to look for your property or school districts to send your child into, those are solutions that are out there. There are others that are internal because of the confidentiality that we have on that data, but they are public-facing applications that the residents can interact with on the city website.
The City of Rancho Cucamonga and the Department of Innovation and Technology celebrated GIS Day and Geography Awareness Week. Residents and students were able to experience live demonstrations and participate in interactive games, all to learn about how GIS has helped our community.
It's a great day for getting students involved. I'd like to see a lot more over here as well. And in terms of the technology, I think students are starting to understand how it applies to every aspect of their life. And we've had a lot of construction projects with the recent bond measures that were passed in our community. And so those construction projects that are going on at our school, understanding how the roads and the sidewalks were redesigned, where parking lots go, traffic flows, angles of buildings, all of the different things that are tied in. And it's like, as a couple of the vendors were speaking to the students today, for them to understand that when you can layer things and you take multiple sets of data, is where you can start to get information that really applies to making a decision that makes sense both for the consumer and for the company.
I really found it interesting how the fire department was using the GIS system to figure out where fires were most likely to erupt in our community and how it helped them to prevent big fires from minimize fires from happening.
It's really something I would like to learn more about. Like, I want to go talk to more representatives and learn more about how they use the system and like get more in depth and more information about it. Like the firefighters, like how they know where the fires are, and also the IEHP, they use the 10-mile radius to see where their patients are and stuff like that, and that was like really cool to me.
For more information regarding the GIS system, visit the city's website at www.cityofrc.us and click on the GIS tab. Thanks for watching this episode of Healthy RC. I'm Maddie Perry, and we'll see you next time.